Ready to permanently close your WorldRemit account? Here's exactly how. First, to ensure a secure process, you'll need to log into your WorldRemit account on their website or through the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option that says Account Details, Profile, or something similar. Within your account settings, you should find an option related to closing or deleting your account. Click on that to begin the closure process. WorldRemit will likely ask you to confirm your decision. You might need to enter your password or provide a reason for closing your account to proceed. Crucially, before you close your account, make sure to transfer any remaining funds. You can do this through the Send Money or Withdraw Funds feature. Once your balance is zero, you can finalize the account closure. If there's no direct delete button, you'll need to contact WorldRemit customer support. Find their customer support contact details on the WorldRemit website. Reach out via email or phone and clearly state your request to permanently close your account. When contacting support, provide your account details for verification. Ask for confirmation that your account has been successfully closed and your data has been protected. Always keep a record of your communication with customer support for your own reference, and that's how you permanently close your WorldRemit account.